All right, welcome to topic 4-8. As you can see on the screen, we're on example 3 already. So if you didn't realize example 2 had a video pre-created, go ahead and go back and do that. Now, the first two examples and this lesson are all about looking at a problem and actually finding the expression and then simplifying it by making it an equivalent expression. So what you saw in the first example was, here's an expression, here's the parts to it. Let's simplify it so we can more easily solve this. Same with example 2. They walk through different ways to approach it because based upon the scenario, sometimes there can be more than one expression that you discover that will help you solve it. Though in the end, what you should have seen is that as much as they were different in example 2, they all ended up simplifying to the same expression, right? With that 4s plus 4. So, example 3. Example 3 actually kind of takes a step backwards and allows you to apply what you've been learning in the past. Right? It says a table with a rectangle top has been extended with a table leaf as shown. So we have our picture describing and showing us what's going on. So we have the tabletop, which is 3.5 feet times 6.5 feet, and then we're extending it X number of feet. And it says, all right, here is your idea, but it doesn't say write the initial expression. It actually gives you the expression, but now they're saying write an equivalent expression. So as you see this laid out, 3.5 times 6.5 plus x, right now your brain should be saying, oh, I know what to do now. I'm going to use the, you just said distributive property real quietly to yourself, or you screamed it at the computer and everyone's staring at you right now, including myself. But I know what you're screaming about, so that's okay. But let's quiet back down and get back to work. Focus. All right, so we're going to use the distributive property to solve this problem. We're going to take this 3.5 and we're going to multiply first by the 6.5 and then by the x. So what is that going to look like? All right, by using the distributive property, right, 3.5 times 6.5, that's what's being done right here. That's going to give you our first number, and we come away with this idea. Right? Plug it into your calculator if you're not quite sure. And then you're going to take 3.5 times x, which of course gives you, whoa. I keep zooming in and out, and you probably have motion sickness now. I apologize. A better teacher would edit that part out, but let's be honest, that just takes a lot of work. So, let's just get a little dizzy. All right, we're oriented again. Great, now we're working. So we have this expression and we've simplified it, and now we're able to plug things in and be able to solve for it, showing that in the end, right, we know what the area of the tabletop is. That's our first part of our expression, where the area of the leaf is the second part of our expression, just like that. Oh, they gave us me an easy example to explain. Now it's your turn. Right? Here is your picture. They even are starting to give you some numbers to help you out. And it even tells you what to do. Use the distributive property to factor the expression, right? Keyword factor the expression. Right? And that will help you solve this problem. All right, go ahead and do the try-it. Make sure you've done the try-its for the other ones and watch the videos from the previous. If you have any questions, bring those questions to class and we will answer them. Good news, this is the last lesson for volume 1. Woohoo! Until next time.